Hello everyone. The next question which I'm going to discuss is the PYQ of June 2024. So the question is, which day is celebrated as International Mother Language Day? Answer is February 21. International Mother Language Day is observed on 21st February every year. It was proclaimed by UNESCO in 1999 and later recognized by the United Nations. The day commemorates the 1952 language movement in Bangladesh when students protested to protect their mother language Bangla, and several of them were killed. The day therefore symbolizes the importance of linguistic diversity, cultural identity, and protection of mother languages across the world. So basically, it's for preserving or giving importance to the mother tongue. Of this historical event, 21st February became a global day to promote multilingualism and preservation of native languages. Now let's see why the other options are wrong. So September 14, as we all know, it's celebrated as Hindi Divas in India. So like that we can guess and eliminate this option. Next is September 23, which is not associated with any major global language day. So we can doubt it. I mean, this question can go wrong, but this is a fact-based question. So now next move on to the next option, which is March 8. We can guess that it's an International Women's Day. So what we can do is, in order to solve these questions, when such static GK questions appear, do not panic. If you don't know the answer in the exam, these questions are low probability preparation areas for English literature examination. मतलब बहुत कम probability है कि सारे questions आएंगे, तो ये wrong भी हो गए. But then we have to focus on preparation mainly on literary theory, major text criticism, authors and movement. Think of such question as bonus knowledge rather than core preparation. So even if we can skip one or two questions like this, it doesn't affect rank significantly if your literary section is strong. So thank you so much.